Alright guys, just gonna go before and after. Look at this pretty guy. That's their doggy.
Not loud enough.
I know, exactly.
Yeah.
Kind of want to see what it looks like on the bottom too.
Take a look and see what we got.
You guys look, wearing custom mufflers.
That's an H pipe, right? It comes stock? Or no?
It doesn't have, right now, only have the resonator with the equalizer in it.
Oh. Wait, so what are those?
The resonator.
Oh, the resonator? See? It's the resonator.
Mm-hmm.
Resonators right there. Muffler right there.
Yeah. Well, and
On this one, they welded together, so it looks like they did a kind of like an X pipe in it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what I
okay.
mean? Pipe this section here.
Nice.
And we'll listen to it and see what
Yeah.
it looks like.
That's dope.
I trust this man a lot, man. Y'all need to come up. She likes you.
I know. She's waiting for something. Want some food? No, never mind. She's not food.
There you go. Sheesh.
Restriction.
That's a lot of muffler.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's probably, yeah, I was gonna say it's probably hot. Yeah, he was wearing gloves.
Hey, that thing was hot.
Yeah.
Hey, that shit heavy too though.
And he cut it perfectly.
Yeah. Sheesh.
It's even all bent up from factory like that. Weird. Yeah, this is what's restricting all that noise. Good sound. We like. Let me check that out. I think he's gonna throw in a little X pipe. Not too sure. Yeah, he's gonna leave the rear resonators or mufflers, whatever you want to call them, because you don't want it too loud. Yeah, this camera.
You see it?
We got one pipe in.
good job.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, welds are good.
What are these? Are these the cats?
Why is it so blurry? Huh?
Are these the cats?
Yeah, those are cats. Big old cats. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, he
Doesn't
did
sound
really
good.
good, y'all. Now we get to hear it. Might have to start it up. Fucking good, man. Oh shit, hold on.
Just keep going. And then if you want to hear the whine, you just roll up your windows.
Yeah, let me roll up the windows.
See it. Yeah, here.
You can hear both of it, bro.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I think it evens out pretty good.
Holy shit!
Oh, sounds good. That ain't good.
Oh damn!
That'd be crazy.
All this traffic too. Fuck! Can't have no fun.
Alright guys, back home. So I don't think my intro audio recorded, but because I was trying out a new mic. But so I just went with Isaiah. He got his little muffler delete on the Durango. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just a quick little video on the Durango, but check out his channel. I'll link in the description. And if you guys are interested in my camera gear, GoPro, I have a link down below. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I'd appreciate it. And like the video, leave a comment of maybe any ideas or what you guys want to see. But yeah, but soon I'm thinking of hosting a Cash Days digs. So I'm looking forward towards that. If you guys haven't already, check out my other videos. I got other race videos and other stuff like that. So peace out, guys.